what I'm going to say is not about my movie promotion or anything, but it's definitely related to my movie Mark Antony that is released today in all over North India. This is about the scam that has happened, that has transpired in Central Board of Film Certification in Mumbai with relation to my film Sabko Pranam. दुखी की बात है जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ अभी. I would like to address this to my honorable Maharashtra CM Eknath Shinde साहब and my honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi जी साहब. जो हुआ CBFC में फिल्म सर्टिफिकेशन के लिए हमने ऑनलाइन में अप्लाई किया, लेकिन लास्ट मिनट आते समय yes, we had to do it prior maybe last week, but because of technical issues we had to come in the last minute. But we were taken aback by what happened over there in CBFC office. Monday, when my person had visited the place, there was an option given to us. 6.5 lakh का प्राइस रखा सर्टिफिकेशन करने के लिए और सर्टिफिकेट मिलने के लिए उसी शाम को. सो वी वर लेफ्ट विद नो ऑप्शन. पहले 3 लाख भेजना था देखने के लिए फिल्म और 3.5 लाख सर्टिफिकेट मांगने के लिए. सो this was done by one lady, I don't know whether she's Mrs. Menaga, who did the entire transaction, and of course it's recorded. It's not a job to record, but I really want to record this just to make sure that it's not ordinary money, it's hard-earned money. And definitely if this is the case for me, I don't know what's the case of other films, which she has also said that जो 15 दिन के पहले अप्लाई किया वो 4 लाख में खत्म कर दिया ट्रांजैक्शन और सर्टिफिकेशन के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं. 6.5 लाख मेरे पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था. मैंने पे किया पहले 3 लाख और एक अकाउंट में और दूसरा अकाउंट में 3.5 लाख और मिल गया मेरा सर्टिफिकेट. और आज फिल्म मार्क एंटनी रिलीज हुआ नॉर्थ इंडिया में. लेकिन ये दुखी की बात है. इफ दिस इज द केस इन गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेस, I really request the higher officials to look into this matter and corruption. Yes, my honorable Prime Minister has always stood against corruption, and of course every leader stands against corruption, and this is corruption. जब मेरे लिए एक्टर को ऐसे हालत है तो दूसरा प्रोड्यूसर्स के लिए क्या होगा, वही सोच मेरे दिमाग में है. So please look into it, sir. And we do have the evidence, and of course it's not a culture to record conversation, but this conversation should be recorded, and we recorded it to tell the entire world what is happening in CBFC in Mumbai. So 6.5 lakhs is what I paid for my certification for the Hindi version of Mark Antony, and the rest is for you all to hear in the voice note that transpired in the phone calls between my man and the person involved in the CBFC. I think this is enough for everyone, for all of you to see, and I'm looking forward for action to be taken. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.